Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to tell you a battery drain problem, how you can fix it in your OPPO smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open your settings and you have to click on apps. Here it is. Just click on app management. You have to turn off background data of all these apps. You can see installed apps, like click on YouTube. Here it is data usage, then here it is background data. If it is on, then you have to turn it off of all the apps. Like this I show you. Click on the app, click on data usage, and here you have to turn off the background data. Then go back. You have to go to files by Google and you have to remove unwanted items like photos and videos. And here are the installed apps. If you want to delete some apps, you can. This is, you can just improve your battery health also. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.